So today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to draw this little sun and moon. Look how cute. But yeah, she's really pretty and she sparkles. So yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that you need to make her, and then we're gonna paint. So the first thing we're gonna do is grab a little compass, and yeah, it's cute. If you don't have a compass though, you can use a bowl or a paper plate. So we're gonna try to find the center and just make a circle right in the center of it. Like that. Yeah, just like that. Oh gosh. So now we have a circle right in the middle. And what we're gonna do is make the moon part. So all you're gonna do is draw like a moon part like this, and then you're gonna try to draw a little nose, and then draw two little bumps like that. And then you're gonna go down. Wow, it's almost perfect. Like that. So you're gonna want a little nose, so a little thing sticking out, and then you go down one, and then you do two more bumps, and then you make that the mouth. So you go like this, and like that. And then I like to have his eyes shut, so just like a little line, I guess. I draw a nose first, and I draw my noses really weird and really bad, but you know, we learn throughout the way. So I like to draw the nose, and then I draw the lips, so I make a little thing like that, and like that. Give her a little smile. Sometimes I end up doing the face multiple times, so we'll see how this first one goes. I'm gonna actually draw her eyebrows. And now for the eyes, I was gonna do the eyes open, but I think I'm gonna do them closed. Oh yeah, that's cute. All right, so now that the face is done, we are gonna add the little, I don't even know what they're called, sunrays, I guess. Start at the top, and I draw a little thing going up like that, and then I draw a big one, and then I draw a little one, and then I draw a big one. I like to do light colors first, so yellow. And when you're watercoloring, if you start out with your light colors first, you won't have to change your water that much because it won't have any dark colors in it. So we're going to start out with yellow and basically just paint all the sun part yellow. So that means this sun ray and these sun rays over here. Alright, so now we got all the yellow on there. We are going to do the moon part, which is a blue. So you could do a blue. Oh my gosh, guys, this is turning out so freaking cute, man. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to add some orange into the sun. Into the sun we go. And what I like to do is just put a lot of water on your paintbrush, put a little bit of orange, and then just tap it. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? And then you can just go like this and blend it a little. And now when you're all done with your orange, I like to add, I don't even know what this color is, I guess turquoise. Is turquoise purple? I don't know, but it's this one right here. And it's really pretty, and it's like this greenish blue. And now once you have that, we're gonna do the little water drops that like go outwards. And this, I keep saying this is my favorite part, it's the most fun, but honestly the whole painting is the most fun. You know what I mean? You just gotta paint away. So all we're gonna do is you're gonna wanna make sure you have a lot of water on your paintbrush for this. So like a lot, you know, so it makes little puddles. And you're gonna find the color you want, so I'll show you first how I do it. So a lot of water. I'll add some right there. See how it's like literally a puddle of it? And then literally add more water onto it. So just drop some more water onto it. And all you're gonna do is blow it in the direction that you want it to go. really, really hard. And if you watched my how to watercolor video, you'll kind of already know how to do this. So I'll show you, watch. Wow, look at that. You see how that worked? So I'll show you again. And the longer you want these things to go out, the more water that you have to put on it and paint and stuff. So the more water you put on it, the bigger the puddle will be. So watch. See? It's fun. And you basically do that all the way around, and then when you get to the blue, you're gonna do the exact same thing, but with the blue and the green colors. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cool. Sometimes I'm like, you know, how do I make this type of stuff so cool looking? So now that you got it the way you want it, all we're gonna do is do a couple more things and then we're gonna let it dry. So what I like to do is get a bunch of water, of course, and you get your orange or your yellow and you go on your sun side and you just tap your paintbrush to make these little splatter marks. I think it looks cool. By the way, when you let it dry, make sure it's on a really flat surface so your watercolors don't drip or anything like that. You want to stay just where it is. I'll see you when it's dry. Yay, it dried! Look how pretty! So now we're going to take a Sharpie and we're going to go over all the lines that we made with the pencil. So let's get it. So now that we outlined it, I like to add these little squiggly lines right here in the middle of them. So now we're just going to add either little circles or whatever you want in the sun rays. Or you don't even have to add anything at all if you don't want to. So now I take a thinner Sharpie and a really thin Sharpie and I add some eyelashes and some little tiny dots all around. And yeah, let's do it. Now that all of our little details are in there, or whatever else you want to add, I have all this glitter. And we're just gonna add some stars on her and some gold stars and stuff like that. You can get glitter for really cheap and for a lot of it at Party City and Walmart and Target. Now that you got all your glitter on it, ooh, it looks so shiny. All we have left to do is spray this clear coat stuff on it and it makes everything just look really, really, really good. So let's take her outside and spray her. So here she is. Look how cute and sparkly. Oh my gosh, so sparkly. Hi, did you have fun? Did yours turn out good? I bet it did. Thanks so much for painting with me and watching my video. I love you. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to find out when new canvases will be for sale. And yeah, I'm going to do a lot more how to draw videos in the future. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching. Mwah! I love you.